Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will tell you how to change the background color, how to render on a transparent background and how to set the optimal parameters for rendering. In order to turn on the render view, click on this circle. To change the background color, select the background and go to the Material Properties section. Choose any color. To get a PNG with a transparent background, you first need to remove the background. Select the background and move it. Go to the Render Properties section. Next section, Film. And check the box next to Transparent. Now let's look at the rendering settings. The image quality and rendering speed depends on the sampling setting. The larger it is, the higher the quality will be, but the rendering time will also increase. I recommend setting between 300 and 500 samples. But sometimes rendering can be good even at 100 samples, depending on your materials and how the lighting is set. Experiment to find the optimal value for quality and rendering speed. Go to the Output Properties section. Here you can change the resolution of the image you get after rendering. In the Output section, you can specify where to save your animation, choose a video format or a series of PNG images. To start rendering, click Render, Render Image. Be sure to save the image after rendering. To render the animation, click Render. Render Animation. Be sure to check out my tutorial on rendering animation, in which I tell you how to speed up rendering twice. The link to the tutorial will be in the description. You can download the blend file from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.